Hello everybody, this is Esther Molina. I'm gonna unbox the sticky kit set for April. And this set is the stickers and washi tape kit together. So let's start to do that. I'm not at home, I'm having fun with a friend in Kamakura. And it's so pretty. Okay, come here. Okay, let's unbox first the washi tape. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see. First one. Okay, let's show this. Oh, it's a toast with a cat. It's really cute and unique. She always adds some extra stationery, so these are like post-its. Like sticky notes, so cute. Cat eating the bread, and then Shiba Inu. It's a Shiba dog, so cute. You can see the bottom. It's so tiny, it's so cute, so fun. Oh, this washi tape is trocal. It has trocal. I don't know how to say it in English. It has a shape.
Die cut?
Yeah, thank you, die cut. Yeah. So very cute. I love Shiba dogs. So it's nice. Okay, next one is from MT. Oh, and nice. I think this is new. I never saw it before. It's very nice. Oh, that's so cool. Very happy colors. Oh, wonderful. Okay, we have two more. Oh, this is so nice. Wow, this is Japanese food. No, lots of type of food. We have omurice that is Japanese, but we have other ones. This is so nice, and it's pre-cut, so you can use as a sticker already. That's so fun. I love the background is green, and the illustrations are a bit retro. It's really cool. Okay, so maybe if they have curry, we can use it for today's journey. We just ate curry. We're enjoying a very nice coffee. Can you see a coffee cup? I love this green. The coffee is too hot. So we decided to do the unboxing while we were waiting. This is so nice. Pizza. Thank you. Okay. And the last masking tape.
Oh, this one I have.
Baby plants. Yeah, this one is so nice. It's bread. It's so nice bread. I love it. It's made with watercolor. So many types of bread. We call this chocokorone in Japan. It's one of the most popular breads here. Sweet breads. Oh, French baguette. Oh, bagels. Oh, I love bread. This is so good. Thank you so much. Okay, let's going to open the oh, look at this, the combo kit. Oh, okay, we will look at the back later because I don't want to see what are the components. The sticker matches the tea. Okay, so first one.
It's a bread tape. Dog bread.
It's the dog on the bread. On the bread. It's crazy. The face is on the toast. This muffin is a bug. Oh my god, this is so funny. It's really funny. Okay. Dogs with bread. This is so cute. So cute. And the stickers are a bit translucent, so I think they are washi tape stickers. We'll need to check that. This is from Cameo. Okay. It's so cute. It's called yeast can. It's like a can is like a word we use in Japan for the dog's breed. So yeast can is hilarious. Okay, next one. Oh, that's so green. I love it. There's so much happiness here. Everything green. Oh, that matches like. Oh, I have to take a photo with a cup of tea. Let me do that. Cup of tea and this together. Ta-da! It's really nice. So, all the sweets. Oh, it says merienda in Spanish. Oh, Merry Merienda. Okay, we have like donuts, cakes, parfaits, lots of different stuff. Fruits. We have melon soda. I love this. And matcha smoothie or something. Oh my god. This is a melon. We have a musk melon in Japan. That there's a very luxury dessert because fruits are so expensive, and this is, yes, some places they serve that on season. Fruit sandwich, I love it. Oh, so yummy. Okay, next one. That's so cool. It's numbers made of bread. It's so cute, and crackers. This is so fun. This is so fun. I never saw anything like that. Oh, this is a churro. I think the 3 is a churro. Okay. And there's people at the restaurant thinking I'm a bit crazy, but I don't care.
What is desserts?
It's a
Dog.
yeah. It's a
Hamster, I think.
It's a beer, bread, and sweets. Oh my, it's so funny. Okay, this is like a melon soda. We have the real version and the beer version. Pudding. This is so fun. Hamburgers. Oh, this is like a fried shrimp, like the thing you ate yesterday. This is so much fun. It's like a parody of many foods. So it's a fried shrimp. Can you see the tail of the shrimp? And this is like omurice, it's like the rice with the omelette on the top. This is like a chahan, so it's like a Chinese fried rice. The croissant, the curry, 3 different types of curry. This is a carrot, some vegetables, yeah, tomato, piment, onigiri. The omelette, you know, the square omelette, Japanese omelette. And this is the taco, like the sausage. Oh my god, this is so much fun. This is like a bowl of rice. Gyoza, maybe. Peach. Sushi. Tango. This is so much fun. It's crazy. It's so hilarious. It says Harape comer. Harape means like hungry. Yeah. Oh my goodness, so much fun. Okay, there's oh, so pretty. I love the retro colors. Oh, the pancakes with the fork, so cute. Thank you. Okay, I have the feeling there's so many stickers this time, like more than usually. Oh, this is the envelope for the car. This is so nice. I want to keep it to myself. This one, I don't want to give it to anyone. So cute. And I love these stickers. They're very, very, very delicate. It's like it's masking tape, but I love the colors. It's really cute, and it has some details with gold leaf. So cute. I love this one. Oh, so nice. Okay, and last but not least, flakes.
Oh, I like this one.
This is so nice. I'm so happy. She always choose very, very cute stickers, and I love her taste. Really, she's really good choosing stickers. Oh, the pancakes! I just feel hungry. We just eat, but now I feel I want to have sweets. This is so nice. Oh my god! Look at these pancakes. This is so retro. I love it. So on the bagel, it's so very nice. The coffee with a spoon, the sandwich and the drinks. And I love like the paper of the sticker. It's like it's brown, like recycled paper, like craft paper.
That's nice. The blue one.
So nice. There's even one more design. There's a cupcake. Wow. Okay, so Thank you so much. We're gonna start having fun with all this and our travelers while we drink a coffee. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.